Meaning of gramme.
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 Gramme. Gramme is a unit of mass in the metric system. It is equivalent to 1/1000th of a kilogram, which is the base unit of mass in the International System of Units, SI. The gram is commonly abbreviated as g. The use of gram as a standard unit of mass provides international coherence for scientific and industrial measurements. It is widely used in fields such as chemistry, physics, and medicine. The gram is a convenient unit of measurement for small quantities of mass, such as in cooking or weighing small objects.